an arsenal, but they've got different purposes and shit.
Did we see a vehicle, Jake, at all? I see I see a buggy down there.
Okay. Motocicleta? No motocicleta?
Yeah, that's what we need is that motorcycle. We can get jiggy with it. I'm gonna check these guardhouses as we run.
We're just getting
Maybe I'll
shot
get lucky.
straight here. Like it's oh. Motorcycle? No, we don't need a motorcycle. We need to feel the wind in our hair.
Where we're going, we don't need motorcycle. Let me drive it this time.
Okay.
You drove it last time.
Yeah. Let's get on some streets. Take us east.
Oh yeah, you're right. We don't need no
Turn around. Actually, turn around and go the other way. All the way down the street. We should be the blue. We're not going to be the blue, but you know what? It's pretty damn close. Put on the gas. There we go. There we go.
Dude, I'm jamming on the gas, dude. I was jamming on the gas from the get-go. This thing must be past.
There's like one right here too.
Do what? Here, grab it. Both of us.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, nice.
Just that rumble. We are breaking the rumble.
Oh, there's a car in front of us.
Yeah, see him.
No, don't honk. Don't let them know we're coming up on them.
What? What are you saying? Don't let them know
They
we're coming up
won't
on it.
know.
They're not going to hear the V8s coming.
Did I get him?
Yeah, you did. I went in the air.
They still firing at us?
Yeah, just go. Someone was. You going back to run them over?
Yeah, I did. Alright, we're good.
Fuck you, Hawk.
The blue can't outrun these cars. Go all the way south. Let's keep going south. Let's go to these spots right here. We dropped that yesterday.
All right. John here. Nice, just swinging badly.
All right, here. Woo! Dude, I'm hitting 158. This was a great fucking addition to the game.
Yeah.
What they have. These muscle cars, these fucking like, they look like goats, like 1972 GTOs. And they are fucking awesome.